Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set default guide view on Rogers Ignite TV. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all I'm just going to open up my internet browser and go to the official community forums. So this is Rogers himself, so he has given these steps to set the default guide view on Ignite TV. So you just have to press the Rogers button on your voice remote to open the main menu, and then you have to use the arrow buttons to scroll and go to settings, then press OK. After that, use the arrow buttons to highlight and select preferences. From the options available, select general, press OK. Use the arrow buttons to select the default guide view, press OK. Use the arrow buttons to select your preferred default guide view, press OK. Press guide on your voice remote to see the guide view. So yeah guys, it's that simple. You just have to follow these 7 steps and that's how you do it. This is the official steps from Rogers himself. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.